Hi guys, and welcome to day 15 of the 30-day challenge I set myself of painting a miniature every day, but also making a video of me painting a miniature every day. And yeah, it's still going strong and loving it because I'm getting through a lot of my pile of opportunity, or some people call it pile of shame, but yeah, mine's definitely a pile of opportunity. But I do get distracted easy, as I think you probably are aware by now, which is why I've got so many projects on the go and I've got such a big pile of opportunity. But yeah, and I also get distracted with 3D printing, which I just can't help myself. And obviously, the reason I get distracted by that is I go and look out my mini factory, which is where I get most of my STL miniature files from. And as you can see, yeah, tons of awesome looking sort of 3D model makers there, so it certainly is easy to get distracted. But I know a lot of you guys do make comments on the videos when I do sort of print and paint a miniature by saying obviously you haven't got a 3D printer, but you'd love to get hold of the miniatures. Well, you can now. My Mini Factory have a website called Only Games Crate where you can get just that. You can get exactly the 3D printed models, which is absolutely awesome. It's a monthly subscription of £10 plus P&P, and they do two different sort of crate boxes. One is a sci-fi one, and one's fantasy, which is awesome because obviously I love both of those kind of genres. And each month it's two different creators. So this month it's Epic Miniatures, so doing the fantasy side, and Pop Goes the Monkey is doing the sci-fi. And I do have a code if you want to get your first month free, so you can try it out, and that is HOBBYISTCRATE. Again, I'll leave all the links and details down below, guys, so go and check that all out. And as a subscriber, you'll also get 33% of a custom miniature from the Eldritch Foundry. This is to celebrate the launch of their full colour custom miniature Kickstarter, which is currently live and ends on the 28th of November. So definitely go and check that out too, guys. So I'm lucky enough to have been sent both the Only Games crates for this month. Obviously when I got these boxes and I'm obviously about to do the unboxing and opening, I didn't know what was actually in there. But obviously you can go on the website and you can see what each month's sort of creators are and what miniatures you're going to get. But say when I opened these boxes, yeah, it was like a nice sort of blind box opening. I had no idea what it was. As you can see though, well and truly packed in there, which is great. You're definitely not going to get any damaged miniatures. In fact, it kind of took me a little while to get them out of the packages. So this is the first one. Yeah, absolutely love the look of this. These obviously definitely sort of D&D Hero Quest related kind of miniatures, and well, any kind of other fantasy game, I guess. So yeah, really like the look of these. So well sculpted and definitely well printed, which is the main thing you want, especially as obviously the reason you do this is, well, you haven't got a 3D printer. So yeah, the sci-fi one, again, well and truly packed in there. But again, yeah, lovely looking miniatures. Definitely ones that I would certainly use. Yeah, love the look of him. So the one I'm going to sort of go for today is the man-eating plant. I just think this will make for a great sort of end boss in Hero Quest. And it's certainly giving me vibes of the plant in the film Little Shop of Horrors. I think, is it Aubrey? I think that could be the name, not too sure. If you know, guys, let me know in the comments, but I think Aubrey sounds about right. Yeah, so I just love the look of this thing because it definitely, it's nice, a nice sort of size miniature, not too big, but definitely bigger than any of the hero sort of players. And no prizes for guessing just how I'm going to paint this. Yeah, I've primed in black, dry brushing with white, and then we're going to get those lovely Army Painter speed paints out, and yeah, get this guy painted in, well, I'm kind of guessing probably about 15 minutes. I think the actual time it took was, yeah, about 15 minutes. Obviously, there's not too many colours to this. Obviously, it's mainly green. Just a few little bits. I'm going to do a couple of different purples. But yeah, a nice, easy paint job and a nice boss I can use to, well, terrorise some heroes in, yeah, my next game of Hero Quest. Just about to make up a card for this chap. So guys, don't forget to check out the links down below to Only Games Crates, as well as obviously subscribing to get the miniatures. There are other benefits. You get exclusive painting masterclasses with 2 thin coats. You also get 20% off their accessories from tons of high quality brands. So you better get your paints and your basing, all that kind of materials. And you also get 20% off whichever monthly creators it is. So again, if you do have a 3D printer, you could then go online, have a look at the My Mini Factory, and yeah, get 20% off, well, more of their wonderful creations. So I'm now halfway through my 30-day challenge, and I'll have to admit, it's not been half as bad as I thought it was. Like I always say, yeah, the painting of miniatures, that's easy enough because I am painting miniatures every day. It really is just the editing and getting the videos sort of done and posted. But yeah, one thing I definitely have noticed this last couple of weeks, it is making me, well, paint more of a variety of things, which is pretty cool. And I say most of the my pile of opportunity boxes, all those wonderful Warhammer kits and all the other bits and pieces that I brought, well, at least a year to 2 years ago, they're finally getting to see the light of day, being unboxed, and yeah, I'm finally doing things with them, which is really good. So guys, if you have any sort of things you want to see me do in the future, by all means let me know. One thing I'm definitely going to be looking at doing again, and that is making things with sprues. Obviously, opening all these boxes, there are a ton of sprues, and I don't like throwing things away, so I have been keeping all these wonderful new sprues that I've been getting. And yeah, I'm looking at doing some more sort of builds and making things with sprues, especially now my painting has improved, well, tenfold since I last sort of did stuff with any kind of sprue builds. So yeah guys, anything you want to see me do with sprues, by all means let me know. I think one thing I'm probably going to do is have a good old look through all my old videos, see the kind of things I've made, maybe sort of replicate some of the things I've made, hopefully do them even better than I did before, and then obviously, yeah, painting them so they should look even better now I'm a bit better with the old painting. So yeah, any sprue videos you want to see me do as well, by all means, yeah, let me know in the comments. So my man-eating plant is just about done. I did actually go online and look at the Little Shop of Horrors to sort of see the plant on there and paint it very similar. And it definitely seems to have, well, sort of red lipstick looking lips. I think that certainly makes it look, yeah, certainly a bit scarier, because is it lipstick or is it blood? Either way, I love how this little thing's come out. So this is definitely some miniature that I will be using because it is just pretty cool. And I may well eventually take it off its little base and yeah, stick it on a good old clear base because, well, as you all know, I just absolutely love clear bases. But as you can't really see much of this base, yeah, I've just left it on there for the moment. So if you want awesome 3D printed miniatures but don't have a 3D printer, then yeah, definitely go and check out Only Games Crates by My Mini Factory. And take a look at this month's creators, Pop Goes the Monkey and Epic Miniatures. Yeah, both amazingly highly detailed miniatures that I would certainly use, well, in a whole variety of games. Especially this chunky chap. Absolutely love him and his big mighty weapon. Ooh, madam. So yeah, go check out the links down below, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave comments, all that wonderful stuff. So yeah, halfway through my 30-day challenge, 15 more days to go, and 15 more days of, well, a whole range of painted miniatures. So I can't wait to crack on and, well, do some more. There's another video on the screen, guys. Give that a click to see more what I do. You guys all take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.